So how is everyone doing? Here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duty. It's a VAC course, and for semester it's from 1 to 4 till 4th semester. Maximum time is 2.3 hours, and maximum marks is 70, which is divided into part A 30 marks and part B 40 marks. Okay, here are the instructions. You have to follow these. You have to either write in English or Hindi. And first part is compulsory and attempt any question from that and from the rest. Okay, so question number one, write short notes any two of the following. A, rule of law. B, sovereignty. C, justice. Question number two, how are constitutional values relevant in the day-to-day national life? Question number three, what is the significance of federal republic in the Indian Constitution? Question number four, discuss the concept of liberty in reference to the Indian Constitution. Then the part B of 40 marks, answer any four out of the five. All questions carry 10 marks. Here's the question number one. Write short notes any two. A part socialism. B Article 51A. C unity and integrity. Question number two. Discuss the values enshrined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Question three. Give some difference between fundamental rights and fundamental duty. Question number four. How does the ancient Indian notions of the righteousness and duty consciousness inform the Indian Constitution? Question five. What do you understand by equality before law and equal application of law? Thank you. And if you want any other further notes or PYQs from any subject, do mention in the comments. I will post this on this channel and subscribe for more. You can do.